So, dear students, for 10th class mathematics, already we learn about the terminating decimal in last class. In this class, we learn about the non-terminating. What one? Non-terminating and recurring decimals in rational numbers. So already you know. So the see P by Q is a rational number. So Q is always in the form of the 2 power n into 5 power m is called the terminating decimal in last class. In this class what one? Select x equal to P by Q. P by Q is the rational number. P a rational number such that the prime factorization of Q is not form the form 2 power n into 5 power m, where n and m are what one non-negative integers. Then x is non-terminating and recurring decimal. One here P by Q is a rational number. Here Q is always not equal to 0. P and Q are the always positive only, not negative integers. And also the Q is not expressed in the form of the 2 power n into 5 power m is called the non-terminating decimal, recurring decimal. This cannot express in the form of what one? So this one. So now you see Q is cannot express in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m is called the non-terminating and recurring decimal. See once again, let x is called P by Q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of Q is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Then x is non-terminating and recurring decimal. So one example, what 100 by 81. So this is the P by Q form. P by Q form. So both are the integers. P and Q are the integers. 100 is the positive integer. 81 also positive integer. First what one we can change into the numbers in the prime factorization. See 100. 250 is a 100. 225 is a 100. 5 is a 25. What one? 5 is a 5. So what 100 is equal to 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. So 81 what one? 327 is 81. 39 is 27. 33 is 9. 31 is 3. So what one? 81 is in the form of the 3 power 4. So now what? 181 change into the what one? Prime factorization, prime products. So what 100 is equal to 2 power 2 into 5 power 2 by 3 power 4. So this is the Q. What one? This is the Q value. This is the Q. So here Q is equal to 3 power 4 cannot express in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So that's why 100 by 81 is what one? Non-terminating decimal. This is the example of the non-terminating decimal. So second one is the 41 by 75. This is one rational number in the form of the P by Q. P is equal to 41. Q is value 75. Now these two will change into the product of the prime factorization. What 41 1 is 41 only. What one? 41 1 is 41. Only 1 into 41 only. No fact is only one fact only. So 75, 550, 550 is 75, 5 3 is 3 1. So 41 by 5 power 2 into 3 power 1. Here what is Q value? Q is equal to 5 power 2 into 3 power 1. Here this is what one. So it cannot express in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So that's why 41 by 75 is non-terminating or what one? Repeating decimal. So next topic is what one? Write the decimal form of the rational numbers without division. What one? Without division, you can write the decimal form of the rational number using this theorem. What theorem? So the always in P by Q form, Q is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Using this theorem principle, we can write the what one rational numbers in the decimal form. But the question is there, write the decimal form of the rational numbers. Example 35 by 50 without division. So what one? So first one, the numbers are changed into the product of primes. What one? Change into the product of the primes or prime factorization. So 35 is equal to, it written the 7 5 is 35. 50 means what one? 3 into 5 into 5. See, rough also you done one. 50 divided by 2. 25 is 5 5 is 50. What is it like this? So what one? So the number change to the product of the primes. 35 is equal to 7 5 that 35. 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. 5 5 will cancel. What happened? 7 by 10. 10 means what one is in the form of the 2 power. What one? 2 power n and 5 power m. So that's why. So one 0 means what? Take the one decimal. This is answer is the 0.7. Example denominator 10 means you take the one decimal after one number. Example 100 means what one after 2 digits you take the decimal. 1000 means what one take the decimal after 3 digits like that. This is the one question. Second is the 21 by 25. So 21 written into the form of the 3 into 7. 3 7 the 21. 25 means what? 5 5 the 25. Here only what the principle is given. So q is equal to 2 power n into 5 power m. Here what 2 power n are there. Only 5 power m is there. That's why here see numerator and denominator multiplied by 2 power 2. What one? Both sides numerator and denominator are multiplied by 2 power 2. See 3 into 7 into 2 into 2. 2 power 2. Here 5 into 5 into 2 power 2 into 2. This quadrant both denominator and numerator are the multiplied by the 2 power 2 means 2 into 2. 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 by 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. So what the fraction? 3 into 7 into 2 into 2. Here 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. Here what this is total to the 4 12 7 what 84 by 100 means what one? So the denominator is the have the two zeros means what one take the two decimals after. So take the decimal 1 2 decimal after here 0.84. So in denominator 10 means we take the decimal after one digit. Or in denominator 100 means what one we take the decimal after 2 digits. Take 1000 means what one we take the decimal after 3 digits. So this is the principle of this one. So that's why you can take the here decimal. So what happens? 0.84 is the decimal form of the given 21 by 25. So now exercise number 3, 1.3. What the question is there? Write the rational numbers in decimal form and state which are terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. So using this principle or division by anyone. Here question is the 3 by 8. So 3 means what one? 3 1 3 only. So what 8? See 8 means what one? 8 means you change it to the 2 power notation. 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja. What here? 2 into change into the what one? 2 is equal to 8 is equal to 2 power. This is the product of the primes. What one? 3 by 2 power 3. What the principle are there? Q is the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, but only 2 is there. So Q consists to 2 power n. So 3 by 8 is a what one? Terminative. Anyone is there. So 2 power n or 5 power m. Anyone. Sometimes some decimals have the 2 power n and 5 power m also. Some only have 2 power n. Some have only 5 power n. So both times. So this is the what one? Terminated decimal. So 3 by 8 is a terminated decimal. So what one? 3 by 8 is it already you know is the repeated. What one? See, this is the terminated decimal only. We can find the decimal form of the 3 by 8. Here 3 divided by the 8. So take the 0 or 0. The 8 is 24. 6 is the remainder. Again take 0. You know what one? 8 7 is 56. Again 4. 8 5 is 40. What one? 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375 is the decimal form. So what one? 3 by 8 is the what one? Terminated decimal. We get the finally remainder 0. This is called the when denominator is then we go when in a fraction. So you get the 0 remainder is called the terminated decimal. Second is the 4 1 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. 4 1 by 5. This change it to the what one? What in a common power fraction, improper fraction. 4 5 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. This is the improper fraction. So 20 by why is called improper? So always numerator is the more the denominator is called the improper fraction. So this is the bigger, this is the smaller, this is the P by Q form. So 21 change into 5 fractionation, 7 3 is 21 and 5 only is there. So what we in Q, this is the Q value, this is what one, this is the Q. So in P by Q form, Q consists to 5 power m. So 25 by 5 is a terminating decimal. How can we say? See in the denominator. So the denominator in the form of the 2 power n or 5 power m. Otherwise, both 2 power n into 5 power m. So consistency is called the terminating decimal. So that's why 21 by 5 means 4 1 by 5 is a terminating decimal. Now we can find the decimal form. So now we can find the decimal form of the 21 by 5. See 21 divided by the 5. 5 4 ja 20. 1 remainder take decimal. 0 5 to the 10. What one? 4.2 is the decimal form of 21 by 5. So some questions are given. Try this. 229 by 400. 2 by 11, 8 by 125, 135 by 500. So these 4 sums are you try in your homework book. So what the method is the first one question. Reason the question. Second, so state the which are the numbers are decimal, terminating decimal, not arithmetic, and find the decimal form. First one, these decimal or rational numbers are terminating decimals or not arithmetic, recurrent decimals. Then now find the decimal form of the rational numbers. What the question is, find the decimal form of the rational numbers and also state which are the terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals or recurrent decimals. Using this principle, you can try these 4 sums in your classwork. Show tomorrow.